What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if incoming calls are not coming or showing on the screen in your device Samsung A04e. So to fix this problem, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix incoming calls problem in your device Samsung A04e.